Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to double-space text in Canva. This is a simple formatting trick that makes text easier to read and look more organized. Let's get started. For example, here is some text on the canvas. We also have some text outside the main area. To adjust the line spacing, all we need to do is click on Advanced Settings. Here, we can see the line spacing option. We can adjust it as needed. Keep in mind that line spacing here is different from the default spacing you might be used to. If we want to double the line spacing, we simply switch this setting. We can also adjust the letter spacing to match our preferences. Once we are happy with the changes, we click Save. That's how we double the spacing in our text using Canva. With just a few simple adjustments, we can improve the readability and overall look of our designs.